Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time in country me, thank you for stopping by. My name is Blessing Rabo, and in this channel we talk more on freelancing marketing, productivity, intentional living, as well as career. Kind of not a 9 to 5. And if you are an OG, thank you for stopping by and always checking out my video. Please do not forget to like and share with your friends. Remember, the video is always helpful. So in today's video, I'm going to be differentiating between growth marketing, digital marketing, and product marketing based on their job roles. I made a video earlier, which I'm going to put up here and as well as in the description, differentiating between growth marketing, digital marketing, product marketing with an overview of what they do in the job. But this time around, I took out my time to look out for job roles on LinkedIn with some software companies that talk more on digital marketing, growth marketing, as well as product marketing. So we're going to be dissecting those job roles so you can have a pretty detailed or granular differences between these three roles. So in case you're wondering which to go for, where should I start from, how should I start, I'm very sure this is going to be helpful for you. So stay tuned as we head right into my computer. We're going to be distinguishing between growth marketing, digital marketing, and product marketing using your job roles. I went online and searched for jobs, and so we're going to be using that. So first off is digital marketing. This is by Edusify, incorporated in Lagos, Nigeria. If you're not in Nigeria, this job description is digital marketing. I'm very sure it has the overview. So we're going to read it and I'm going to dissect it. We are seeking a highly motivated and experienced digital marketer to join our dynamic team. Whatever that is, we're not concerned about that. As a digital marketing specialist, you will play a key role in planning, executing digital marketing campaigns. You can see the language you're using. Digital marketing campaigns to drive brand awareness, web traffic, website traffic, and lead generation. You can see that it is brand awareness, traffic, lead generation. This position offers an exciting opportunity to work space, whatever that is. No. So now let's go to the responsibilities. I'm very sure the responsibilities are dive right into the job description and what is the difference between them. So develop and execute digital marketing strategies. What's digital marketing strategies? We're going to see from here. Plan and execute and optimize digital marketing campaigns across various channels. Remember that digital marketing is very broad. So you can see there's SEO, SEM, SEO, search engine optimization, like ranking of your website on Google, SEM, search engine marketing, which is using majorly Bing and Google to run campaigns. So those are these search engine marketing campaigns you can run, and PPC, paid advertising, can be using interchangeably. Email marketing as well, social media, content marketing to achieve company goals. So you can see what it is. Paid advertising, manage and optimize pay-per-click, PPC, SEM and PPC, they're almost similar. Kind of similar. So advertising campaign on platforms like Google Ads, social media advertising, on Facebook, LinkedIn, etc. to maximize ROI. So you can see that for digital marketing, what they want you to do is just to manage the marketing campaigns across digital channel. You can see SEM, SEO, email marketing, social media, content marketing. Then there's paid ads, there's content marketing, which is blog posts, infographics, emails, email marketing. Same thing as the person said, yeah. It's just expatiating. Then you have social media management, good. Analytics tool. So you can see the analytics tool here is not that very robust. You can see that it's not very robust. All they want you to do is to monitor. All they want the person to do is to monitor, analyze, and report on performance of digital marketing campaign using tools like Google. So I'm very sure this person is talking about maybe Google incoming. There's this Google dashboard that is used for reporting. Google reporting. So yeah, it's called the Looker Studio. Maybe that's what the person is referring to as Google. Maybe that's what the person is referring to as Google. Customer rate optimization, CRO. This is for you to optimize your website, your landing page, just to improve the conversion rate and user experience. So it's not that serious. Competitive analysis is you to do research, stay updated to industry trend. Just a normal thing that they will say. Conduct competitive analysis to identify opportunities and threats. Budget management. So you can see digital marketing is everything in one. When you're a digital marketer, you're like everything in one. You majorly will say you're a generalist. So you have to have all of these tools, which is required here: SEM, SEO, email marketing, social media, content, in your toolkit to be able to perform as a digital marketer. So this is what digital marketing is. You can see. Now let's go to product marketing manager. So this is by ETAB Nigeria. It's an entry role, as they said here. So this is what ETAB is about. They talked about it, but we'll move right into the role and your responsibilities. So your responsibility will include developing product messaging that differentiates the ETAB platform and proposition from others in the markets. So developing product messaging is you writing copies and creating copies and content for the company. That's what it means. Establishing go-to strategies for our products. So what are the market strategy, go-to-market strategy? What are the marketing strategies you're going to use at each level of the customer journey? Remember, we talked about in one of my videos, I'm going to link any up somewhere up or put it in the description as usual, where I talked about the pirate metric, and that the pirate metrics follows acquisition, activation, retention, revenue, referrals, and the others. So for product marketers, majorly, they work more with software companies, casing go-to-market strategies, which is throughout life cycle, and target customer segments, use cases, monetization, pricing, positioning, value proposition, partner prioritization. So like this is what you need to do. This is like kind of copy you have to do. Then helping to define content strategy. So as I've said, in my words, to make it simpler for me when I was trying to differentiate between product marketing, growth marketing, and digital marketing, I just said product marketers are copywriters or content creators or content writers, kind of. So, but product marketers can call themselves content marketing specialists. You can see here that the product marketer will help define the content strategy and create compelling content. So the person is majorly creating content and copies, presentation, blog, case studies, ebook, website copy that highlights our product value. Studying ETAB products to have a deep knowledge. ETAB is a company we're analyzing, and the job description to have deep knowledge in order to smoothly execute marketing process that every marketer is supposed to be able to do that. Create marketing plan and campaigns, whatnot. Developing and implementing promotional activities such as app releases, updates, etc. Creating content, copies as well. Because when you're going to do platform release, you're going to have maybe a release campaign. Product marketer is going to be able to write those copies for that. Although the whole marketing team will come together and talk about the strategies, how they're going to be able to do it. But the product marketer will be the one to put every of those things in words that the consumer, the end consumer, which is the user, are able to consume the content and understand the value the product is bringing to the market and make a very good decision. Technical webinars, so they are the ones going to be organizing the slides for webinars, platform updates, launches, maybe notice and all that. Developing and implementing online media campaigns to target key audiences, copies, content, similar. Measure success in achieving them, integrating social media and audience, other engagement tools, support the planning, implementation, and monitoring of appropriate digital media and social media analytics. Yeah, a bit of analytics is done because you want to be able to see, majorly if it is a software company, they really want to be able to see how your copy that you are writing is affecting the bottom line. And majorly the bottom line for every company is revenue. So want to know the copy you're writing, you're churning out, the social media content you're giving out, are they driving awareness? You want to be able to measure it. And that's where we have links such as UTM code. Google has a UTM code builder. There is a website, you can use Google Analytics to be able to track it. So you know, okay, where the leads are coming from, just to differentiate it. So you want to be able to use those analytical tools as well as a product marketer. So to be able to see how your content is behaving or how your copies are converting, let's put it that way. So when we're talking about support the planning, implementation, and monitoring of appropriate digital media and social media analytics and media strategies to promote effective online communication and engagement. That's cool. Ensuring marketing programs have the appropriate level of supporting materials and messaging, pricing, offers, providing product guidance, directive based on sales sources, customer feedback. So if you're writing a copy as a copywriter, you need feedback from the customers to be able to use in evolving the market trend as well as the product. So that's what the role of a product marketer using the job description can just tell you. So you can see the discrepancies already between a digital marketer and a product marketer. So we can actually say that at some point a digital marketer is also a product marketer, because the digital marketer is a generalist, as you've seen. The person does content marketing, but he doesn't do it in detail like this guy that does it here, who is a product marketer, which his own is just product marketing and product marketing alone. Now let's move on to the last, which is growth marketing. So I found growth marketing as well online, but I found these to be very useful. This for a senior growth manager role, but you're just going to read it. Remember, in one of my videos I talked about that a growth marketer is also considered as a life cycle marketer. You can read the description here. It said that a senior growth manager takes ownership for improving the entire customer life cycle. Good life cycle is more or less the pirate formula or the pirate framework, which is the acquisition, activation, retention, referrals, revenue. Heavily focused on data. Remember, we said that it is heavily focused on data because you want to be able to see the interaction your users are having, especially at a very granular level, at an individual level, each stage of their customer life cycle. Having focus on data and constantly using that to create and execute growth experiment. So growth marketing is more or less like a science. You have hypotheses and you test those hypotheses. Looking for a senior growth manager to take responsibility for improving our customer lifecycle to help support our ambitious growth plan. Now remember that we say that growth marketer major role is to grow the company. That is their job, to grow their company. So everything they are doing, every marketing campaign, every experiment they are running is to grow the company. So with our CRO is conversion rate optimization. You will help build the strategy and be responsible for executing it. Your remit will cover activities across, remember what we just said, acquisition. And in the acquisition stage, you need digital marketing tools such as SEO, SEM, Facebook ads, social media marketing for acquisition, conversion as well, then retention. Also, you require this digital marketing experience and tools in your toolkit to use as a growth marketer. With support of marketing development and sales team, you will conduct data-driven experiments. We talked about that. They run experiments a lot and look for improvements to CAC. CAC is the cost per acquiring a customer, LTV is the lifetime value, and churn. So these are the major three. The goal of a growth marketer is to reduce the CAC drastically and increase the LTV of a customer, and as well as reduce the churn. Churn is described as when a user no longer uses your product for a period of time. So you have an app which is a product and the user no longer come back to your product after a period of, let's say, 30 days. After 30 days no longer come back, then that user is churn. So that's what churn is. So responsibilities, let's just move fast. Responsibilities: strategy, build a plan with our CRO. I'm responsible for executing it and helping the business achieve its growth goals. Analysis: analyze our current acquisition and retention strategies. Majorly, these are the two things you'll be doing: acquisition and retention strategies. Do customer research, talk to our prospects. Customer research includes talking to your users to see and customers to give you insights to test again. You keep on testing. Growth marketing is all about running experiments. Customer acquisition. For customer acquisition, improve our customer acquisition campaign, work across paid ads, we talked about that, SEO, even influencer marketing. For digital marketing, people do not really work with influencer marketing, but for growth marketing, you explore all acquisition channels. Then customer conversion, improve how we convert our prospects into happy customer. Focus on messaging, pricing, UX to identify, test, and roll out improvement. The growth marketer works across teams. Then customer retention, improve customer experience to reduce churn. Then increase LTV. Remember, you have to increase the lifetime value. So if you increase lifetime value, it means that less customers are leaving your product. So you're going to be using reporting tool. This is where I talked about marketing technological tools. If you check the other job descriptions, such as product marketing, you see that these tools are not really relevant. They didn't even mention them. But for growth marketing, it is extremely essential. You need to use GA, Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, Google Data Studio, which is like Looker Studio, and Segment to measure and improve a CAC. MRR is monthly recurring revenue. LTV is lifetime value. Alright guys, so we've come to the end of this video. If you watched the end, do not forget to subscribe, like, share, because the video is extremely helpful. Share. It is free to share, and it's free to hit the subscribe button. Thank you. See you next time, Saturday, 6 p.m. Bye.